Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the SNR Zone Indicator for MT4. This support and resistance tool automatically identifies and displays key price zones where the market has historically reversed or consolidated, helping traders plan entries and exits. In these videos, you'll see how the zones are detected, how they appear on the chart, and which trading applications are described. The SNR Zone Indicator, which stands for Support and Resistance Zone Indicator, is a technical tool designed to automatically detect and display key support and resistance level on the MT4 chart. It analyzes historical price action to identify zones where price has previously reversed, stalled, or consolidated, marking these areas as significant levels that may influence future price behavior. By automating the process of identifying support and resistance, the indicator saves traders time and reduces the subjectivity involved in manually drawing levels. On the chart, the SNR zone indicator displays horizontal zones or boxes that highlight key support and resistance levels, typically using different colors to distinguish between the two. Support zones are usually marked with one color such as green or blue in our case, while resistance zones may use red or orange, making it easy to identify where price may find buying or selling pressure. The zones can extend forward from their historical formation points, providing traders with visual reference areas for planning entries, exits, stop losses, and take profit targets. Key settings typically include lookback period that determine how far back the indicator analysis price history to identify zones, and sensitivity parameters that control how many zones are displayed. Traders can customize zone colors, thickness, and extension length to match the chart layout and analysis preference. Some versions include filtering options that only display the most significant zones based on the number of times price has reacted at that level, reducing chart clutter. The SNR zone indicator is aimed at traders who uses support and resistance as key components of the trading strategy and want automated zone detection to streamline analysis. Common applications include buying near support zones during uptrends, selling near resistance zones during downtrends, and using zones as stop loss and take profit reference points. However, support and resistance zones are not guarantees of price behavior, and breakouts or false breaks can occur, so the indicator should be used alongside price action analysis, volume confirmation, and proper risk management. You can download the SNR Zone Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview highlights how automatic detection and visual display of support and resistance zones can help traders identify key price levels efficiently. If you like automated support and resistance tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator tutorials.